Samsung's Galaxy S26 Edge to replace Plus variant next year. What reports say Samsung will have 3 models in the Galaxy S26 series next year, which should ideally be announced around January or February 2026. And it seems the company is getting rid of one variant to keep the other one in the lineup. Reports this week suggest the Galaxy S26 Plus variant could be replaced with the S26 Edge model, making them the 3 variants available in the market for buyers. The launch of the S25 Edge version this year had already hinted at big changes from Samsung, and the new report hardly comes as a surprise. End of Plus right move. The report by the Elec this week has started the chatter around a big decision from Samsung. Next year we could see the S26, the S26 Edge and the S26 Ultra variant, instead of bringing 4 models and bulking up the lineup. When you look at the current lineup, you can see that S25 Plus and the S25 Edge carry the same screen size. And the only differences are in the dimensions, the battery size and the build quality. So, the move to ditch the 6.7-inch Plus in favor of the 6.7-inch Edge might be the way to go. Also, could this be a similar move to Apple ditching its own Plus variant for the rumored iPhone Air variant with the 17 series? We can't say for certain, but all signs have suggested the Plus could be the one sacrificed so that Samsung can raise the claims of trying something different. Swipe left for next video. The S25 Edge has not exactly lived up to the hype, especially with its premium price tag, the really small battery of under 4,000 mAh and other shavings being done to make it sleek. But it won't be the worst idea to prolong the Edge moniker for a few more years and do that by giving up on the Plus variant from its lineup. The Elec has a good record of Samsung related stories, and multiple leaks have suggested the Edge will be the one going ahead with the future models. Latest blogs.